There is too much hate. We must never allow it to take over truths. He, Trump, has been targeted for his information that can knock down the corrupt swamp. Trump is the only man that can destroy the negative propaganda that has been sworn into this office. Can he be saved with the American people who believe in God's glory? Can we save our nation from the dark cloud that has been put upon our life streams? Yes, because Joshua promised the land of hospitality, and his sword of righteousness fought the battles left and right, the battles of right and wrong. And Jesus said that man can rise above darkness, that he can be saved with this understanding, this truth. Believe, and he shall finalize the Holy Ghost, the light of God's happiness for all to rise. And this truth can open the ways for the gifts to be. Believe that the man that can help this nation, the one man that was ridiculed, destroyed as Jesus, Trump, can come back and save the American dream for all and make America great with the dignity, with the power of who she is. The land of freedom, God's land, God's glory, the USA. Much love to you.